Ready for your eggs? You ready, Lil? Time for your eggs. We gotta wait for them to cool off though. You can't eat them yet. They're too hot right now. Time for your eggs. But they're too hot. Hot. Sorry, I can't let you have them yet. It's so exciting. But you're sick. Let's get your nose. Yeah, egg time. Time for breakfast. Alright, let's put your bib on so we catch everything, all the eggs that fall down. Okay? Yeah. But they're too hot. We have to wait for them to cool off. I know you love eggs. They're so funny, aren't they? They're too hot. Let me get you one little piece. Okay. I know. You want the whole plate? I'm sorry. But they're too hot. You're going to burn your mouth. I know, love. I know, but they're too hot. You're not really crying. You're just hungry. I know. Are they too hot? Want a little water? What's wrong with that piece? What's wrong with them? Here. Why don't you like them today? Can you not taste them because you have a cold? Do they taste like nothing?